how do you feel, your family feeling after this proud moment?
We are feeling very, very excited and proud because this is indeed a big historic moment for the world and for India. This is the largest vaccine rollout in the world. It's the largest vaccination drive in the world, and we are so happy that we are the preferred transport and cold chain solutions provider for this particular, program. So it's a huge moment for us. It's very, very exciting. But I just can't. I don't know how to describe it. Also, like when the first truck rolled out, when I was seeing it, it was more like I had tears in my eyes. It was actually that beautiful to see those beautiful trucks moving out.
सर, ये जो ट्रांसपोर्ट का काम आपका जो की रोल है अभी इस सब, क्योंकि वो वैक्सीन का जो टेम्परेचर मेंटेन करना है, जो टेक्निक्स जो है, तो ये आपके तरफ ये काम कैसे आया और आपने क्या तैयारी की थी इसके लिए? कुछ खास तैयारी की थी और क्या क्या उसकी ज़रूरत क्या है वो वैक्सीन ट्रांसपोर्ट के लिए? What?
Well, actually, we have been doing this business of cold chain trucking since around 10 years. We are an end-to-end solutions provider. So we do the primary, secondary, and last mile distribution, and including the storage as well. So this is nothing new for us. We have been doing this for years, and we have upgraded ourselves to such an extent that now we have a fleet of 400 trucks, and these trucks are so high end and tech enabled that they can be live temperature tracked. They can be GPS monitored. Each of the trucks has all these technicalities. We have door opening alarms that if there is any unauthorized opening of any door, we get an alert and our central team starts tracking and asking questions to the driver. Apart from that, we also have sensors inside the truck to maintain the temperature and make sure that there are no temperature excursions. The trucks are built with such a capacity that they can go from minus 25 to plus 25. So there is a 50-degree range in each truck, and we can set the temperature for any type of vaccine from whether it's the 228 vaccine or the minus 20 vaccine or any other product which the pharmaceutical industry requires to be moved in this temperature controlled environment. We have the capability of doing that.
जैसे कि आपने बताया कि आपकी कैपेबिलिटीज क्या क्या है ये बिजनेस में, हाउ लॉन्ग फ्रॉम यू आर इन दिस बिजनेस?
So in the transport business, we are a third generation family in this. We have been in this business pre-independence, and cold chain was started by my elder brother and myself in 2012. And these are all existing contracts that we have with all these pharmaceutical clients. So this is not a new structure or a new contract that we have established with Serum or with any of the other manufacturers of the vaccine. These are just new products being added into the transportation mix for us because we have been carrying all the polio vaccines and the rabies vaccine and various other types of vaccines in these temperature controlled environments since many years.
तो अभी ये ट्रांसपोर्ट का जो जिम्मा आपने लिया है, तो किस तरह से हो रहा है ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, मतलब या जैसे सीरम से निकल के किस तरह से पूरा ऑर्गेनाइज हो रहा है उसके बारे में थोड़ा डिटेल?
So as of now, the first rollout happened yesterday, where they happened under heavy police escort. The local Maharashtra government has been very, very forthcoming and very helpful, where they have on their own provided all this security, and they have made sure that each and every vehicle is secure and has reached its destination in record time. That is thanks to the Maharashtra police and various other agencies who helped us coordinate this. And this business has we have not made any real new preparation for this kind of business because we have been doing this since many, many years.
जैसे कि एक ये सीरम इंस्टीट्यूट से एयरपोर्ट है,
Yeah.
तो अलग अलग
So
में है।
yeah, so we are handling their entire upcountry and small routes and long routes trucking for the vaccines in our trucks. Apart from that, whatever airports movements they are doing, they are using some of our trucks to move to either Pune or Mumbai airport. And then at the destination airports, they are using our trucks for last mile deliveries to the from the airport to the locations where they want the material delivered.
जैसे कि आपने कहा कि रिकॉर्ड टाइम में आपने कुछ जगहों पे पहुंचा, तो उसका कुछ डिटेलिंग कर सकते हैं?
So well, because of the police escorts and our drivers are so excited because they see this as a huge service to the nation. They see that this is some of the drivers I've been speaking to, they have told me that they feel that they were born for this. When will this moment come in our lives where we can be service to the nation, where we can really do something that can save our citizens? So the excitement is so high right now between everyone that these guys have just outdone their performances and somehow just managed this, of course, with the help of the police.
सर, जैसे कि ये वैक्सीन के बारे में उसके कॉस्ट के बारे में बातें हो रही थी, वो तो पार्ट प्रोडक्शन करने उनका है, लेकिन जैसे कि कॉस्ट प्राइस में ये वैक्सीन देने वाले हैं, जैसे उन्होंने कहा कि 200 रुपये में देने वाले, तो ये जब ट्रांसपोर्ट आप कर रहे हैं तो ये इसका जिम्मा किसका है, मतलब सरकार ने आपको ये किया है क्या गवर्नमेंट से, और क्या उसका कॉस्ट प्राइस
No,
ट्रांसपोर्ट प्राइस कैसे है?
as I mentioned, this is a existing contract, so there is no new contract that we have to establish with anybody. And this is so any vaccine manufacturer, whether it is the Bharat Biotech vaccine or whether it is the Zydus vaccine or any of the other vaccines, we already have existing relationships with these companies. We already have existing running contracts with them. So by default, if the customer wants, he can just add this product into our portfolio and we carry it. So there is no role of any government in terms of paying us for this. This is a purely contract between us and the manufacturer, which has been existing since long. So there is nothing else in that. And as regards the structure of payments is concerned, it is a regular contract where we submit our bills for whatever trucks have been called for and we are paid. That's it.
Right. अभी सीरम का तो शुरू हुआ है, कितना और ट्रांसपोर्ट होगा, और बाद में जैसे आपने कहा कि भारत बायोटेक का है, तो उसके बारे में थोड़ा elaborate कीजिए।
So, well, we don't know the volumes right now because the way the ordering system is that we have understood is that the government depots that are there in various cities, they are ordering it directly with the customer, and then the customer is telling us that this is what we need, these are the kind of trucks we need, and place so and so trucks. So as of now, it's just the first day, the first rollout has happened. So we are expecting that day by day these quantities increase.
And what about Bharat Biotech?
So Bharat Biotech, we have not heard when they are going to start, but we are completely ready and we are excited that as and when they start, that we will be happy to serve them if they want.